In this video, I am going to discuss about the concept of pie charts and its use in education. A pie chart is a type of data visualization used to represent data as a circular graph, where the whole circle represents 100% and individual categories or data points are depicted as slices of the pie. Each slice's size is proportional to the quantity it represents within the whole dataset. In education, pie charts are essential tools in data analysis and visualization for several reasons: simplicity and clarity. Pie charts are easy to understand even for the people who are not familiar with complex data analysis. They provide a clear and straightforward way to represent data, making them accessible to a wide audience. Comparison. Pie charts allow for quick visual comparison of the proportions or percentages of different categories within a dataset. This makes it easy to identify dominant categories or trends. Visualization of parts to whole relationships. They are particularly useful for illustrating the distribution of a whole into its constituent parts. For example, you can use a pie chart to show how a budget is divided among various expense categories. Now, the steps of drawing pie charts. In step 1, determine your data. You need to have data that can be divided into categories, and that data for each category must represent a percentage or fraction of the whole. In step 2, calculate percentage. Calculate the percentage or fraction that each category represents in relation to the total. To do this, divide the value of each category by the total value and multiply by 100 to get the percentage. In step 3, you have to draw the circle. Start by drawing a circle which represents the whole dataset. You can use a compass or a circular template to ensure accuracy. In step 4, you have to divide the circle. Divide the circle into slices that correspond to each category. The size of each slice should be proportional to the percentage you calculated for the category. You can use a protractor or a drawing tool to help with this. In step 5, color or shade and label the slices. Label each slice with the category it represents and its corresponding percentage. To make the pie chart more visually appealing and distinguishable, you can use different colors or shading for each slice. In step 6, you have to add legend. If necessary, include a legend that explains what each color or slices represents. Pie charts are an excellent tool for teaching students about data literacy, including how to interpret and create visual representations of data. They help students understand the concept of percentage and proportions in real-world context. In educational materials, using pie charts can make complex data more accessible and easier for students to grasp. It aids in visualizing abstract concepts and statistical information. Analyzing pie charts encourages critical thinking skills. Students can ask questions about the data, identify trends, and draw conclusions based on the information presented. Pie charts are commonly used in various fields, including economics, business, and science. Teaching students how to create and interpret pie charts prepares them for future career and real-world decision making. So finally, we can conclude that pie charts are important for data visualization tool that simplify the presentation of data, aid in comparison, and are valuable for educational purpose in teaching data literacy and critical thinking skills. Now try this.